Hello everyone. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to convert this photo into this. So this is a cool new trendy editing style, most common on Instagram. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to files, I'm gonna click open, and I'm gonna select the photo. I'm gonna click on open, and now I'm gonna create a copy, and then I'm gonna crop it out as per the Instagram post ratio, which is 4:5. When you click on this drop down, you can see 4:5 ratio. This is what we want, and we're gonna click on it. We're gonna adjust the image, and then when you're happy with it, just click on the tick mark icon. So I'm gonna click on adjustment layer, and I'm gonna select solid color, and I'm gonna select a color that I like. I'm gonna click on OK. You can note down the hash code so that you can practice it yourself. And now I'm just gonna change the blending option from normal to multiply. So that's gonna give this effect. And now I'm gonna go back to the adjustment layer, and we'll select curves to adjust the highlights and the shadows. So I'm gonna fade the highlights out a bit. Just gonna play around with the curves, whatever looks nice. Bring down the shadows. I'm gonna adjust it again. That's look good. Now I'm gonna go to adjustment layers again, and I'm gonna select curves. Now I'm gonna increase the highlights. Click on the center part and just increase the highlight. And now I'm gonna go to layer styles by double clicking on the blank space over there. Double click on it. This is the layer styles window. I'm gonna go to the underlying layer, and I'm gonna drag it to the right. So what I'm doing here is I'm adjusting the shadows and the highlights by removing the black from the underneath layer, which is the curve layer. So I'm gonna break it by clicking Alt. So this is gonna blend properly, and I'm gonna take it, I think, all the way to the right. Okay, this is it. So I'm gonna select the first adjustment layer and shift click the last adjustment layer to select all three of them. Then I'm gonna create a group so that I can show you the before and after. Before, after, before, after. Now what I'm gonna do is to just spice up the edit. I'm gonna select this Instagram icon. I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna bring it into my canvas. Now I need to make it white. I don't like the colors, so I'm gonna double click on the blank space to open up the layer styles, and I'm gonna go color overlay, right? And right now it's white. If it's in some other color, you can change it back to white. Okay, and I'm gonna click on OK. Now I'm gonna drag it here at this point. Whatever looks good. So I'm just finding out a place. And now I'm gonna create a mask, and with a brush, black color, I'm gonna remove the area which I don't want. If you need to learn about mask, I have linked my layer mask video tutorial, so you can check it out afterwards. Now I have kept my brush hardness to 100 because I'm not blending. I'm carefully adjusting it to the corners as well, so that it's gonna create an illusion that the Instagram icon is at the back of this person. I can adjust the mask at any time in non-destructive way. Maybe I'm gonna bring it a bit down. That looks better. I'm gonna click on mask, and with a black brush I'm gonna repeat it again. Now I'm gonna go to layer styles again, and I'm gonna give a neon sign kind of feel. So I'm gonna select on outer glow, and I'm gonna, if the outer glow color is of any color in your Photoshop, so don't worry about it, just click on that box. And I just brought the eye picker to my image and selected that. So just see the settings that I have. Alright, and just click on OK. I'm gonna close that, and we're done. So I'm just gonna save it. Fine, save as. So first I'm gonna save it in Photoshop as a PSD file, and then I'm gonna save it as a JPEG file so that you can upload it on Instagram. This is the one. Save. I'm gonna keep the settings, okay, and there you have it. So make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos like this. So if you guys want to reach me out through social media, my Instagram link is in description. Go ahead, check it out. Have a great day. Thank you.